This will be fun. Acha, so brain chemistry and behavior. First of all, we'll talk about brain compounds. Dopamine, which is the center of this video, इस पे हम बाद में आते हैं. Second of all, we have serotonin. On third, we have oxytocin. On fourth, we have endorphins. I apologize for my bullshit writing, but let's understand these terms. Serotonin is a natural compound which can be earned through sunlight or eating healthy or taking morning walks. It balances out our mood. It is quite a crucial thing. Oxytocin is a binding hormone, a love hormone, which is felt when you feel affectionate about a certain thing or a certain someone, while endorphins are a natural stimuli which we get through heightened experiences such as water sliding. Now, thing here to understand is all these three compounds can only be gained through natural means. Now let's come on dopamine. Dopamine समझने के लिए first of all we have to understand about dopamine's baseline, dopamine graph. So here is a dopamine baseline: 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Let's say a man starts off his day from here. He goes out for a walk, he'll feel a little better. Then he takes a shot of coffee, he'll feel better. Then he has to go to work. उसको थोड़ा ड्राउजी फील होगा एंड शाम तक वो थक जाएगा. मे बी वो घर आके he'll drink a little, he will feel better, and then he will go to sleep. So basically throughout the day we all make a certain graph of dopamine which which has the ability to dictate our motivation और ये baseline किधर है, because ये baseline ऊपर भी जा सकती है और नीचे भी जा सकती है. Let's discuss how that happens. Well, first of all, let's imagine मैं एक नंबर का शराबी आदमी हूँ. मैं पहले दिन शराब पीता हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा. दूसरे दिन पीता हूँ, कुछ नहीं होगा. थोड़ा हैंगओवर फील होगा. But after 2 to 3 weeks, I would get so used to that much pleasure कि मेरी जो बेसलाइन है नॉर्मल, इट वुड स्टार्ट टू ख़राब होने लग जाएगी बेसिकली, नीचे आने लग जाएगी, एंड इट वुड फॉल ऑफ. देन टू फील बेटर I would have to drink again, and this is the cycle of addiction. Now this applies to everything. Dopamine can be earned through natural means by exercising, by eating healthy, वही जो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. But dopamine is gained through porn nowadays. If not that, then gaming. If not that, then binge eating. If not that, then let's say scrolling. Now, instead of scrolling, you can go out and exercise and get some endorphins. Instead of binge eating, you can eat healthy and feel better about your physique, get more serotonin. Instead of watching porn, you can go out and build actual relationship with your loved ones. Now, if you watch porn daily, then this is what happens to you. At night times, your baseline falls, and to feel better again, to normal, to feel yourself normal, you have to do it. It becomes an addiction, and whether जो मर्जी addiction हो, it doesn't matter. The thing is कि all the things, dopamine is the compound of achievement, and it can also be gained through fake means. Whenever we take it through fake means, sugar जैसे कि, it only harms our baseline. A person with a healthy lifestyle, just about के जॉग करता है, हेल्दी खाता है, काम करता है, जिम जाता है, स्पोर्ट्स करता है, he is mentally cognitively high performancing, तो क्या होगा, मे बी ही यूजेस कैफीन, उसकी जो बेसलाइन होगी वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ऊपर आने लग जाएगी। ही वुड स्टार्ट टू फील बेटर अबाउट हिमसेल्फ बिकॉज़ उसको पता होगा कि हाँ, मैं खुद पे काम करता हूँ। मैंने अपने लिए कुछ किया है, मैंने अपने लिए पैसे बनाए हैं, मैंने अपने लिए बॉडी बनाई है, मैंने अपने लिए कुछ किया है। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट मोटिवेशन इज़ एंड दीज़ आर सम आइडियाज़। दैट्स इट। दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे।